Hey everybody, Brandon DeShaw here, Lab Director, Global Energy Labs. Do you have frac sand? Possibly. Let's talk about one of the tests that you need to run on your sand to determine if it is high enough quality to be used for hydraulic fracturing. That test is the acid solubility test, and this is a test that figures out if you have undesirable contaminants in your sand. Some of those contaminants, examples would be carbonates, feldspars, iron oxides, or clays. So this is a fairly involved procedure done by an experienced chemist for best results. You need to follow the procedures exactly. There's very detailed procedures for this test, and you need to use good laboratory techniques. Now, one of the most important things that has to happen is that the sand used for this test needs to be split down. The amount that you're using for the test is only about 5 grams. That's a small amount. So you need to get that 5 grams and have it be a representative sample. You need to make sure that the lab you're using is splitting so that the sample is representative of the larger one as a whole. Okay, this needs to be done on unaltered whole grain sand. You don't want to use anything that's been crushed for the crush test. And it uses hydrochloric and hydrofluoric acid. Nasty stuff hydrofluoric acid is. Can kill you pretty quickly, actually. It's pretty nasty. So you want someone experienced to do this and under a good hood so that the gases evolved, fluorine gas possibly isn't inhaled. The results you want to get from your acid solubility from the American Petroleum Institute recommended practices for sand sizes of 612 through 3050. Those are mesh sizes. For frac sand, you want less than 2% of the mass as being soluble in the acid. And sieve sizes 4070 through 7140, you want less than 3%. So the acid solubility test, one of the many tests performed to determine whether or not you have frac sand.